I decided to do another video right in the middle of the other one. So if you're interested in consumables for your JEG's plasma cutter, stick around. So as you can tell, I've been using my plasma cutter, and the consumables like the tip and the cup and all that stuff has to be replaced, which is why they're called consumables. So I went to JEG's and looked it up to see how much consumables were for straight from the people that I bought my my plasma cutter for. You know, I got it super cheap, and thought, you know, they should have the consumables. Well, I'm gonna put a screenshot right here. So yeah, one set of consumables, I think, and again, I'm gonna go look it up and take the screenshot. I haven't taken it yet, but anyways, I think it's about $22 for one set. So, or some ridiculous amount, maybe it was 12. Anyways, I was like, that seems to be a shitload for just consumables. So I went and did a little research online, and ends up that this is like a common plasma cutter. They just put JEGs on it. It's made in China, and it's called a Cut 40. So let me show you. So there you go. See, it says DC inverter plasma cutter, and it's a Cut 40. So I went and I put Cut 40 into Amazon for consumables, and guess what? I found consumables for a Cut 40, and they're much, much cheaper. So anyways, I'm gonna put a link down below for them, but instead of just getting one, I got a whole package for like 22 bucks with free delivery. So I should be good with consumables for a long time, hopefully. But anyways, I just thought you guys could find this interesting and useful, that don't just buy your stuff from JEG's. Go look around, and you can save some serious bucks. So JEG's is making a huge markup on those, and I don't mind paying for stuff, but don't insult my intelligence and make me pay out the yin yang for something that's extremely inexpensive. So hopefully that little tidbit and intermission in the rest of this will help you out. I know that I found it interesting, and I saved a bunch of money, and now I have consumables for my plasma cutter, because I'm going to have to use it for this. And as I showed you, I'm going to have to cut some of the floor out, and and I'm sure there'll be some stuff in the back I need to cut out. So now I'm all set for consumables. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking, all the stuff everybody's been doing. So, if you liked the video, if it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe. And I know you do what's right and what you want to do, but if you could, please help me out a little bit. And again, thank you to everybody that's helping support me and keep this going. I appreciate it, and have a great day.